Welcome to Recall Alert. Chrysler is recalling approximately 320,000 SUVs due to a potential battery fire risk and is advising owners to park their vehicles outdoors until the necessary repairs are made. Here is a breakdown of the situation. Affected vehicles. The recall impacts plug-in hybrid (PHEV) versions of the 2022 to 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee and the 2021 to 2024 Chrysler Pacifica. The hazard. The vehicles may experience a short circuit within the battery pack, which poses a significant risk of fire, even when the vehicle is turned off. Safety precaution. Due to the fire risk, owners are strongly advised to park their SUVs outside and away from buildings or other vehicles until the repair work is completed. The fix. Dealers will inspect and, if necessary, replace the battery pack on the affected vehicles free of charge. Owner notification. Chrysler will notify owners starting in late June 2025. In the meantime, owners can check the NHTSA, National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, website, or the Chrysler Recall website with their vehicle identification number, VIN, to see if their specific vehicle is included. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Recall Alert for more recall update.